Good morning, friends, the sky is blue. What should we wear? Let's think it through. Sunny or windy, rainy or cold, pick the right clothes before you roll. Dress up smart, dress up right, wear your hat, your shoes that shine so bright. Jacket zipped, boots on tight, ready for the day from morning to night. If it's cushy rain out there, raincoat on, umbrella care. If it's snowy, jacket thick, warm scarf, warm gloves real quick. Check the weather, look outside, clouds or sun or windy ride. Then we choose what's going to keep us safe, warm and comfy as we play and race. Dress up smart, dress up bright, wear your hat, your shoes, let's shine so bright. Coat or dress or sweater light, happy day ahead, we're dressed just right.